So we're just taking a little look at Soon here on the daily time frame. As we can see, it's been consolidating really well. Currently sitting in and around a trendline support kind of area, which I've been looking at for a while here. As you can see, obviously I was talking about Soon when it was down here at around what we were, a tenth of a cent, maybe a fifth of a cent. In this area here I bought some. It obviously did a massive gain all the way up to around 4 cents, which was crazy. We came down and consolidated, started to coil up like this, but then obviously lost support. So we came down, back tested a really nice area here down at around, what is this, an eighth of a cent, almost just under a cent basically. We came down here but got bought all the way back up, and since then we've been holding this 1 cent area as support really nicely. And to be honest, as you can see, we've really just been going sideways. We actually got a back test of this resistance line here, as you can see as well. And then since then we've really just been going sideways, chopping sideways in a little range like this. Looking really strong, to be honest, considering the market cap of this is so small, sitting at around 1 million market cap still, which is crazy. It's pretty obvious to me that Soon is probably going to do some really good. I mean, this project, man, the amount of bullish fundamental stuff, they're making new partnerships every day. The narrative is really strong. The price action is looking really promising here, as you can see. Obviously got my Fibonacci levels pulled in here, and you can see those are also working quite well in terms of credence. You can see here we obviously got stuck under our 618 Fibonacci, as you often do until you get into the bull market. But you can see here for Soon, we've obviously got this little bit of a trend line here that we absolutely hammered away from, and now we've come back into this area where we're probably expecting, I would expect a bit of a bounce, doing something like this, maybe a little grind to the upside. Obviously if we fall down below here, we've also got the 100-day moving average, which is probably going to be doing something like this as well, which could pick us up off these lows. This trend line, it's not that important in my opinion. It's just more of a precautionary, cursory kind of idea of where price action could bounce. As I said, we could come down and have a dump all the way down to another fib level and then come and have a massive pump again. The volatility obviously really high, considering the fact that we are at such a low market cap. You can have quite a high amount of volatility. But in terms of fundamentals, this thing is looking really strong. I'm holding this until $1 plus, in my own personal opinion. That's only going to be $100, $200 million market cap. Very achievable over the next year or so, in my opinion. Overall, the chart looking really strong. Let's see what we can do soon.